I will leave an item list in the description.
That's the original one. It's on a piece of wax paper. That's what it looks like. It's a little thicker than the fruit by the foot. So on this specific one here, I overlaid it to make it thicker. That's one test. But the other one, we're going to go just single. So we'll cut it about right here. Take some margarita salt. And we'll take that and just pull it across the salt. Then we will try the second one that's been doubled up. Looks a little closer to that. Take it and place it. That one looks a little longer than it should be. We'll just wrap it around. We'll do the single. Wrap it right there. And then just get you an idea of what this looks like. Just wrap that one about right there. And you can always take a shaker and just reload it